Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to post ads to 1,000 different Facebook groups to promote your product. To be able to post 1,000 ads in different groups for advertising, we'll be using the Mosaic software. That's it. So in order to post a lot of content, a lot of posts in different groups, first we need to prepare the content for our posts. As you can see here, we need to go to the content management section. There we add the content we want to post into the software. So first we add a category, for example a posting category, for instance automatic posting. After adding a category, we just need to select the category and click on add post or add advertisement. That's it. Select the category again, which is automatic posting. The tab will be post. Next, for the title, we can put anything. Then for the content section, we just enter our content here. For example, the content could be an advertisement post or a sales post. After clicking save, after entering the content, we click save and then it will pop up with content like this. Once we prepare the content, we'll go to the post section. Next, we'll post the article in various groups. Click here. Then we select the Facebook accounts that we'll use to post. Next, set up the content. For example, set the interval between two actions, say to 25, like that. Which accounts if there are 10 consecutive errors. Next, select the content we've already prepared. For example, like this. For instance, this is the content we've just prepared, save it. Next, there will be 3 types of posting. For example, posting to join groups, posting by keyword, and posting by group ID. So if we post by group ID, next we paste the group links we want to post to here. There, after we have this group links, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the links, the UIDs of the groups. When we click save, it will pop up. 5 groups will appear here. Next, we set up how many groups each account can post to at most. Here we set it to 5. Each group we post a maximum of 1 post. That's it. After setting everything up, we just select the Facebook account we want to use to post. Then click start. At that point, this software will start opening Chrome windows to automatically post and advertise products in all the groups. And as you can see, each Facebook account opens in its own Chrome window, just like having an employee posting sales ads for us. So if you found today's video helpful, please leave a channel subscription and a comment so that I can be motivated to make more great videos. Thank you all for watching.